In this session, we're going to talk about printing and exporting. And the printing and exporting is very similar whether you're in a bid package or whether you're back at your summary and so forth. So you still have the print and export button. So one will show you basically this grid information. The other one will kind of show you this information. So we're just going to take a look at them. It's the same concept for both, so I'm not going to really do a separate session on both. So print, this is version 1. And so far, it looks like the print is a little bit rough, kind of depending on how much information you're showing, but it basically shows what you have on the screen. So, in my case, it's showing me my different names and who's been bid across it and what the values are and things of that nature. So, if you did want to dump it out to paper for some reason, you can. Most likely what I think I envision is probably more people are probably going to use the export. It seems a lot more powerful. So that way it'll just dump it out to an Excel spreadsheet. So when I click on export, it'll basically have an Excel spreadsheet then that I can open that has the values, and that way it looks like I could probably control some more of the printing and what I want to show and things like that a little bit different. So that way it's just a quick way to, there again, kind of get my divisions and who's bidding and what their values are and discounted or awarded values and some of those type of things. So you'll notice down here that, I can even tell basically what values are being used, the fact that those don't have any dollars for my awarded section of it and so forth. So pretty handy if you just want to dump it out and so forth. And that's probably one of the things that probably will be some changes at some point in time. But as far as, if you need to get the information out, that's a couple of great ways of getting it out.